What is up? Well, let's do that again. I haven't spoken. What is going on? Today is Friday, and it's basically the start of vacation. I got a little bit of work to do today, but we're gonna kick off vacation with a nice chill day at home, but we're gonna try to have some fun with it. We have some sprinkler and outdoor type devices to get going in the yard, and I don't really have a great hose setup, so I'm gonna go to a couple stores, Home Depot, Harbor Freight, pick up a couple things, pick up some Bagel World, and yeah, then I'll get home and we'll try to get the outdoors set up for some summer fun. Come along for the ride. Alright, so I just got the hose. I'm gonna take you on a journey of what just happened in my brain, buying a hose. There's a lot of factors to consider when buying a hose. You have, like, you know, Home Depot, they have the good, better, best ratings. That's not even the problem. The problem is figuring out the length and the thickness of the hose that allows the amount of water to come through. So I was just balancing the need to have a certain length hose for my pressure washer, but that doesn't cut it for wanting a longer hose for the yard stuff that we're going to have fun with later. And then the pressure washer also needs a certain thickness that I don't need for the other stuff. And then you try to come to a middle ground, but then you say, well, those don't work for either one. I don't even know what I just settled on. I literally, like, I don't know. I got a hose, it will provide water, and we're just gonna go with it. So, on to Bagel World. Mission accomplished.
Mission conference?
Yeah, mission conference. A North Shore staple. Bagel World. The best. Doing unboxing. You ready? Feast your eyes. Wow.
I'm not camera ready, but I got a nice BLT sandwich.
How is it?
It's so good.
And let's check out the nails.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa. Put some sunglasses on to see those bad boys.
Vacay nails.
Little ham, egg, and cheese. Delish. Their iced coffee, not very good. Yeah, if they had to improve on one thing, it would be the iced coffee. But it's fine. Colby opted for some strawberries this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't want the bagel.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What you doing? Gonna do a little reading? So Mindy is getting her hair cut right now, and then when she gets back, I'm gonna do a little bit of yard cleanup, and then we're gonna have some fun in the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna burn the present.
And Colby's gonna get a present. If he's a good boy.
Yes, sir, Dada.
Oh, really? Wow. Wow. Whoa.
Look, I kissed him.
You what?
I kissed.
You blowing kisses to Mama?
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, that's a great one. Did you miss Mama?
Yeah. No way. What is that? What is it?
It's a battery.
You open it? What's so? No way!
He was just kidding. He was just kidding.
What is that?
What's that?
What is it?
It's a water present.
It's a water present. So this is a little like splash pad type thing. Got it at Costco, obviously, because I get everything at Costco. Only $15, and it's 11 feet.
What a bargain!
bargain.
This is huge.
This is
that'll be fun. Gotta lube up.
Dada.
Just got this new thing. Solar Buddies sunscreen applicator.
It's like a little roll-on deodorant. Oh boy.
Dada, are you opening it?
Can we go do it?
Yep.
Okay. Are you out?
Reload! What are you doing up there? Are you afraid of the water?
Splashpad number 2.
Interesting. Fix it, Felix. Ooh, ooh.
Wow.
Whoa.
Cold!
Go ahead, join Dada. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on. Go in. It's almost as tall as Dada.
Wow.
Foot water. Where'd they go?
We take a little snack break?
Yeah.
What you eating?
Popcorn.
Nice. This little man woke up from his nap. Hi. Hi.
So we just got back in from outside, had a nice little day out in the yard, right, Colby? Yeah, right. And now we're just getting dried off, and we're gonna head over to the lot in Middleton, just like a little food truck area, and they're always there. Like they don't cycle out or anything. So yeah, we're gonna head over there shortly, and then probably go get ice cream after. So the day's not over.
Whoa, look at that.
What's that?
It's a tractor.
Yeah, you're right. That's so cool. Indian food truck, burger food truck, a chicken and the pig, so like chicken and pork, a taco food truck. What did you order?
Hot dog.
A kitty hot dog?
Yeah.
And waffle fries? Sounds awesome.
I just had the fried pickles and the french fries so far. This is very spicy, but it's yummy.
Really?
Yeah.
Colby, how's your food? You like it? So I got my first lobster roll of the year. This place is so good. So good. And it was a special. 2 for $40. What a bargain. right.
Wow. Hefty.
Hefty. Wow. What a chomper.
Good stuff.
Yeah?
Classic
So
American.
are you enjoying your fries back there?
Oh yeah.
It's delicious. You like your food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, so one thing we didn't expect. The fries from which food truck? What's the name of that one? Good Vibes Only? Yeah, I think it's Good Vibes. I think. I don't know. That food truck. The fries are exactly what you want from a fry. Crispy, soft on the inside, kind of shoestring, delicious. Get the fries from there. You love the tractor? Is that really cool?
Whoa, look.
Whoa, look at the lever. That's awesome.
And look. What's that?
That was delightful.
I'm full.
I know.
I don't know if I have room for ice cream. Do you
There's always room for ice cream.
Colby, do you have room for ice cream? Yep.
Yep.
Chip.
Also, update. The name of that food truck is Good Fellows, not Good Vibes. We're from a distance.
I think it's a 80s vibe because it's like a neon sign. They were playing 80s music. Colby was digging Huey Lewis in the news.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. So now we're literally going across the street over to Richardsons to see some animals and get some ice cream. Lego.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the little cows. Wow. Aren't they cute? Big Mama over here is ready to pop. Look at that belly.
Wow.
You are a baby.
He's hiding.
Where's the baby one?
He's hiding.
Hey, I see a couple other ones in the shade underneath. You see them? You see them underneath?
She's coming to say hi, buddy.
Name?
I didn't know.
You can name them if you want.
Is one of them
Who
Hey
is
Hey
it?
Is one of them Hey Hey?
Yeah.
and Chicken Nugget?
Yeah. Because she's having another.
Aren't they cool?
There you go. All right, let's see. Let's try it. How's it?
Good.
I got a basic vanilla frap. Couldn't get more basic, but it's delicious. How's that?
It's good.
Do you like that, or do you like your strawberry better?
Strawberry.
Are you gonna drink the rest of Mama's now? You're deluded.
But what's that going?
He's trying to fix the internet. Wow.
Hey, what's the one
Hey.
from Kobe?
Drink it.
Let's pizza.
Hey. Got a little peanut butter ice cream. Delicious.
Kobe, what movie is this song from?
Mikey found
Good job! That was a tough one. What movie is this song from?
Mega Man.
What a day.
a good day.
It was a good day.
Finally a nice day.
Yep.
At home. We did go out, but...
Yeah. Yeah, it was a nice balance of, like, hanging out in the yard.
Yeah.
But then also, like, having small plans at night.
Yep.
It's a little tough when you have, like, too many plans in the day.
Right.
Like, you just start to, like,
worrying
push
about the packing up and everything.
Yeah.
And it's like, we were like... The little picnic area was great, because...
Yeah.
You just ate, and then, you know...
And then
we got
skedaddled.
Right. It's great.
It was sweet. Highly recommend the lot. Honestly, all the food at all of the food trucks has been really, really good. So I would definitely recommend that. Richardsons is obviously like a go there.
Right.
And
the whole farm's free there. Like, I feel like...
Yeah.
Well, I guess, like, you can go look in any farm, but...
That's true.
I don't know. That pregnant goat, though. I haven't been thinking about her.
Yeah. Big time. Should be any day now.
I know. Poor thing.
But yeah, we got... Sawyer went to bed. Colby just went to bed earlier than usual.
He's already asleep. He's like...
Literally.
He's
Like within
delusional.
5 minutes. Yeah.
When he does a nap, man...
He's just a different
He's still, like,
person.
he's, like, right in that cusp of, like... Like, he still needs his nap. Or at least, like, a little cat nap in the car or something. Because when he doesn't have one, he's just, like...
And this was 2 days in a row without a nap.
And that's...
You can tell.
And he won't
can
have
tell.
one tomorrow, so...
Right. We're doomed.
We'll see how that goes. But
And you would think that maybe he'd sleep in. Nah, he'll be up at 7
like,
tomorrow.
oh, we're going somewhere? Yeah,
Yeah.
6:15. No.
Have we hyped up camp at all?
I didn't tell him.
I didn't either.
Well,
so.
I mentioned Jason's boat, maybe.
Oh,
so.
no.
But I didn't... I mean, he's going to be up at 6. Jason's boat?
Yeah, literally. Literally.
Sorry.
But yeah, also, so it looks like I'm drinking out of a can, which I am, but it's a wide open top, courtesy of this little device, if you will.
Yes.
But it makes the can drinking experience much better. You get all the aroma. It's sweet.
Like a cup.
Yeah.
But you don't have to...
It's honestly, pouring it into a cup is easier, but
Yeah.
like if you were camping or like...
Right. You
I mean, I like drinking out of the can.
You can still
now.
recycle the top. Is that...
I think so.
That's good.
I do.
I do.
I do.
In that movie.
I do.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, I was gonna say Tim Allen. I was just trying to figure out like Christmas with the Cranks or... yeah, so anyways... That's all we got for you today.
We're going to chill and watch Resort TV 1.
Yep.
Friday Night Live.
Yep.
Our favorite thing ever.
This is the start of our week-long vacation. We obviously have 4th of July next week, and we're going to have, you know, just like little pool days and camp days and 4th of July celebrations. So, you know, we'll have a few more vlogs over the course of the week. Probably won't be every day, but we'll have...
will it?
Daily vlogs for a whole week. Dun dun dun. Probably not. But maybe. I'm not going to commit to it, but if we pull it off, sweet. Because some of those days may be me golfing and playing with mulch.
Yeah, that's not really exciting.
Not very vloggable.
Well.
But then again, maybe it is. Here's to vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.